In today's video, I will teach you how to design your own photo grid in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and in the home page, type in the keyword photo grid on the search bar if you would like to customize one of the thousands of available photo grid templates in Canva's template library. To choose the right design for you, you can simply enable some of the filters on the sidebar to narrow down your choices. And to start from a custom size page, you can simply click on the Create a Design option at the upper right corner of the screen and click on a custom size, then input your desired width and height. Once you've opened your canvas or template, simply click on the element or illustration that you would like to customize. To add images to Canva, you can simply open the Uploads tab and import the images from your computer, or you can use Canva's free images in the Photos tab. You can also make some adjustments and apply filter onto your pictures by clicking on the Edit Image button at the top panel. Here, you can remove the background of your image, apply effects, and do some color grading. Just play around with the settings until you're satisfied. You can also add different frames to your images by simply opening the Elements tab and open the Frames gallery. Simply drag and drop your chosen frame to your page. And to add the image onto it, simply drag the image to the frame until the image snaps into place. To resize and reposition the image, simply double-click on it and use the handles to make some adjustments. If you wish to add graphics and illustration onto your photo grid, simply open the Elements tab and drag and drop illustrations and graphics onto the page. To save your work, you can simply click on the Share button at the upper right side of the screen and select Download and choose the right file format. I highly recommend using PNG or JPG as a file format. And you're done! If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.